Hello everybody, not a shaving video this time. We've been restoring some razors. I had a lot of razors that I wanted to restore, and I just wanted to show you how it looks right now. It looks like this. This is not a restored razor, this is a razor from Scott Owl I'm gonna hold up. But there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 razors that I restored today. These are CV Stamps 29, one of them, and these two are number 2, if I remember right. This is an Ekta Bengal, and so on. And you can see a lot of things. Spare blades. This is a blade that's not in a good condition. As you can see, lots of homeware. Difficult to film this. But you see a lot of homeware. This was some issues with this with this razor that I wanted to do a restoration video on. It's this razor right here. Should have had this on a stand, this phone, but too late. It says ROXO here, and it's a Sheffield, England razor. And the first thing, this was on that this scales was on this razor, and there is some text here. I'm going to show you some photos, and I'm going to there you maybe see Henning, I don't remember the name actually, Henning, and this is the original scholars, but they broke, or the scales they broke. I can see if I can find these. There the big pieces fell into small pieces. So I'm just gonna show you how this razor became like this one. There was issues with this blade. I took, not the blade, but the scales, and I used scales from another razor, from this razor, and so on. I'm gonna show you some photos. I'm gonna talk about it. So it's gonna be a rather short video, but it looks like this right now. Now I'm gonna clean everything here, take 2 razors, maybe 3, and hone them up, and that's what I'm gonna do today. And maybe this evening I'm gonna do a shave with this. But as you can see, I have a drilling machine here, small hand drill, and a blowgun, hammers. These are materials for pinning materials, as you can see, different stainless, brass, a small stand I use, Dremel with drill, with cleaning, sandpaper, yeah, and other things I use. So that's a lot of shit. I have this machine here to clean up the blade if there's rust and so on that wheel. So a lot of stuff everywhere, so I have to clean this up. Yeah, as you can see, it starts to restore a razor. Henning Haraldsson says on the scales, and 30th of 10th October 1925 it says here. And then I'm going to show you some before pictures and after pictures. These are the pictures that shows you how the blade looks. A little bit of rust, not polished, and so on. So it needed refreshing. And these are the pictures showing you when the blade is fixed with fixed issues with rust and so on, and polished up. I think it looks great in my opinion. And then it was time to assemble the razor with these cleaned up scales, but there was issue with those scales. When I pinned them up, they broke, so I have to use another scales from this razor. As you see, a lot of homeware, and the scales didn't look so pretty. It was plastic and bent. I don't know what have happened to these razors scales, so I have to fix that issue. I used the hot air gun to correct that problem on those scales, and then it was time to repin that razor, and it looks like this when it's finished. I think it's a beautiful razor. I just need to hone it up, and I think I'm gonna do it tomorrow. I'm to tie it this evening. So thank you for watching, everybody. Have a great evening. Bye bye.